It's time for another episode of Just the Tip with Caitlin. I'll be showing you what to do when your grout is breaking and falling out in between your tiles. Down we go. The unhinged Muppets that did these floors in our kitchen clearly weren't on the up and up. This is also the same process for bathrooms with one slight difference, so keep watching. There's many possibilities of why this is happening. One of them being that the floor is shifting underneath, grout wasn't packed in tight enough, new grout installed over poor quality grout, or the grout wasn't sealed properly. My situation's a bit easier, but in most cases you would use a grout saw. You can use power tools for this, but I would be very careful that you're not chipping your tiles. Vacuum it all up, make sure there is zero dust. What do we need? Grout float, large sponge, bucket with clean water, and grout of chosen color. Speaking of, this is not chosen color, this is just what's left over. All right, you're gonna, smush it into there. You're going to pack it good. This whole video has gone the wrong way. This is the most important part. You really want to make sure that you get this down and as deep as possible. You're covering tiny sections at a time because you need to clean these little sections at a time. This stuff dries quick. Take a damp, not soaking sponge and wipe down the tiles. It's okay. It's not going to ruin the grout. Just don't push it into the grout. Grab a microfiber towel and just wipe it on down. And give it the one over before you put any rugs or anything back down. Not an ad, but this is my favorite stuff to use. It's pre-mixed, ready to use, never needs sealing after it, and again, it dries super fast. For those doing these in bathrooms, check my captions for what you do with grout caulk. If you found this helpful, I hope you'll like and save it and share it with a friend. Until next time on Just the Tip with Caitlin.